If you do sales, cold email, recruiting, or outbound, and you're tired of manually researching leads, copying data, and personalizing messages one by one, this video is for you. In this video, we'll be looking at what Clay AI is, what it actually does, and how to use Clay AI step by step, even if you have never touched an automation tool before. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Clay is one of the most powerful outbound tools available and whether it makes sense for your workflow. Now, what is Clay AI? Clay is an AI-powered data enrichment outbound automation platform. In simple terms, Clay helps you find lead data, enrich contacts with real information, personalize outreach for sale, and automate workflows that would normally take hours. Instead of jumping between tools, for example, LinkedIn, Google, spreadsheets, and APIs, Clay connects everything in one place. It's not just another AI writer, instead it's an AI-powered outbound engine. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Now once you're signed into Clay AI, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And what makes Clay different is that it acts like a super-powered spreadsheet, but with AI and live data. So you could go over to the left-hand menu option and you could tap on Find Leads. From there, you can tap on Find People, Find Companies, or Find Jobs, and it will pull data from dozens of sources, use AI to analyze and summarize info, and chain actions together automatically. So I would say think of Clay as Google Sheets, plus APIs, plus AI, plus automation, all without needing to code. Now let's talk about the core features of Clay AI. First, data enrichment at scale. So Clay can enrich leads with job titles, company size, industry, LinkedIn data, website info, and so much more. You can start with a basic list and Clay fills in the rest automatically. For example, if we were to tap right here, let's say we were to tap on Find People. After you have tapped on Find People, you'll be redirected to this dashboard right here. From here, you could go over to the left-hand menu option. You can search by industry as you can see right here. You can also choose by size, company size, job title, experience, location, certification. There are numerous options how you can customize it. This is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Clay AI and why it is so highly rated. With Clay AI, you will get their AI-powered research and personalization. So Clay uses AI to read, summarize company descriptions, and pull personalization snippets. So instead of manually researching each lead, Clay does it for hundreds or thousands at once. And also when it comes onto workflow automation, you can quickly do that with Clay AI. For example, if I were to tap on next right here, after tapping on next in the top right hand corner, after selecting it, so we could tap on save and run. Once I've tapped on save and run, I'll see the automation option in the top right hand corner. So if the company has a size of over 50, you can enrich it further if you want. If role is head of marketing, you can generate a custom opener also when it comes onto Clay AI. And I'll be showing you step by step how to do all of that. So the first thing you want to do once you signed up to Clay AI, let me show you how to use it. You're going to be creating a new Clay table. To create the Clay table, you have two options. You can tap on either Find Leads or you could choose to upload a CSV file. So we're going to tap on Find Leads right here. And let's say, for example, you can see you have different options. You could tap on Find Local Business and you'll be able to use it to find local businesses if you want. There are numerous options that you can choose from. Now, let's say we were to tap on Find Companies. After you have tapped on Find Companies, from here, you have different options that you can choose from the left-hand column, as you can see right here. Now, let's say, for example, you were to tap on Industry. You have different industries you can choose from by scrolling down. Let's say we were to select beverage. After you have done that, you can scroll down, you can select the company size. After tapping on company size, you can also select the annual revenue and so on. Then you will tap on continue. After you have tapped on continue, from here just give it a few seconds. Then you can see the enrichment options as I was saying earlier. And you can select whichever one of these. So let's say we were to select the wine industry network. So we'll select this option. And we're going to tap on save and run 10 rows. After you have done that, from there, you can see right here, you can choose the enrichment option. You can also tap on sources right here, as you can see right there. So this is where you'll be able to import from CSV file, as you can see there. You can also choose to export if you want. And you can choose whether you'd like to find their work emails, if you'd like to use AI, company, domain, whichever one of these options, or if you'd like to view all of the enrichments. So let's say we were to tap on work email. After you have tapped on work email, you can scroll down. From there, you can select, for example, find companies. You can choose name. You can see different options right there that you can choose from. Then you can scroll down. After you have scrolled down, you can also select personal email if you like to do that, and you'll tap on save. Then you can select save and run 10 rows, save and run 50 rows, or save and don't run. So let's say, for example, we were to select save and run 10 rows. After you have tapped on save and run 10 rows, you're just going to wait a few seconds while it works in the background, as you can see right there. After it has done that, you can see that it will automatically pull up their LinkedIn and also their work email. Now, once you have done that, you can go over to the top left hand corner and you could tap on play right there once more. And you can see that we have created our list. After you have created your list, from here you can tap on campaigns. Once you have tapped on campaign, you can select new campaign in the top right hand corner. After tapping on new campaign, from here you can pull your lead list. So we can tap right there. We're just going to be using this list for example's sake. We'll tap on select table. After you have tapped on select table, from here you'll see lead email. So we will automatically deduplicate records based on this field. And you'll just give it a few seconds. Then the feature that I was talking about earlier, where you can use their AI to write, you can simply tap right here. And from there, you'll be able to generate a campaign. So let's say, for example, reach out to warm leads. Then you'll tap on generate campaign. And you'll just give it a few seconds. After you have done that, you'll be able to launch your campaign right here. Now, some common use cases when it comes onto Clay AI. People use Clay AI for cold email personalization, sales prospecting, recruiting outreach, and also market research. You can also use it for lead scoring. So if data plus outreach are part of your job, Clay fits somewhere in your workflow. And when it comes onto pricing for Clay AI, if we were to check out their pricing option, so let's do that real quick. If I were to tap on upgrade right here, you can see that their monthly plan begins at $149 and it can go up to $800 plus. So Clay does have a learning curve, especially for beginners, but once you understand the basics, the time saving are huge, and pricing depends on usage. It's best to start small and scale as needed, as you can see right here. So I would recommend, if anything, you start with a starter plan. Now, is Clay AI worth it? Clay AI is worth it if you do outbound at scale and you want deep personalization and you're tired of manual data work. Not a simple AI writer, it's a power tool for serious outbound workflows. Hope you found this review helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.